Railways Minister Sheikh Rasheed Ahmed says ML1 railway project will further strengthen relationship between Pakistan and China. Talking to Chinese Ambassador Yao Jing, he said the project will be the first step toward modern railway system in Pakistan that will also bring economic development. Felicitating over approval of Pakistan's historic railway project ML1 under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Framework.